Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable shipping options in your WooCommerce website. So here you can see that we have added free shipping for UAE alone, and we didn't add any shipping rate for any other countries. Okay, so here if you want to charge or if you want to enable different shipping rates for different countries, you can do that from the WooCommerce admin panel. Okay, for doing this you can go back to your WooCommerce admin panel and go to WooCommerce and click on settings. In settings you can go to shipping and you'll be able to see the zone, like the zone name is UAE or United Arab Emirates, and it's showing the free shipping. Okay, now I can see the free shipping here, which is displayed here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this one. Okay, so for doing that I can just click on disable, just click on add shipping methods, and I'm going to make it as flat rate. Okay, I'm going to flat rate and I'm going to charge them like 50 dirhams flat. Okay, and just click on create. So here what happened is, like for UAE the free shipping is removed and I have added it as flat rate of 50 dirhams. Okay, and now go back to the user side and refresh the page. Here you'll be able to see the shipping rate as 50. Okay, and now what I need to do is I am going to create a new shipping zone. Okay, the shipping zones are like if you want to categorize your shipping rate for certain countries or groups, you can do that. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new zone. Just click on add zone and I'm going to name it as Oman and Saudi, and I'm going to select the countries Oman and Saudi from the list. Okay, and after that I'm going to click on add shipping rate and just click on flat rate, or I can just click on free shipping or anything what I need, or the local pickup. Okay, just click on flat rate and continue. And I'm going to add name it as flat rate itself, and it is not taxable, and I'm going to charge them 100 dirhams. Okay, just click on create and select Oman. Okay, now the shipping rate changed to 100 dirhams. Okay, and for the Saudi also it will be the same. See this? So this is how you can add or enable shipping zones in your WooCommerce store. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.